Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can record your screen from Microsoft PowerPoint. But this feature is on PowerPoint 2015 to other new versions. Let's get start. First open PowerPoint. Open a blank presentation. In the top bar click on Insert. And click on Screen Recording. It brings up a dialog box. You can capture your mouse pointer and you can also toggle the audio on and off. I will select an area of the screen. And I will go ahead and hit the record button. I get this countdown is going to tell me to press the Windows key, the Shift key and the Q key at the same time to stop recording. Now I am going to export the video. Then I go to the top left corner and click on File. And click Export. Then I am export as MP4 video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button, that way you'll get a notification in any time or any other topics future. Leave a comment down below. That's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoy it and hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.